2,000 years from now. If I am, we will be friends.
Oh shit.
Yes.
This anime pretty good. I mean, I want to see what his new friend gonna look like because I guess he got reincarnated.
I didn't even know they had a fucking season 2 unless this shit is new. But I'm like, damn, I'm slacking on this shit. But I thought I was done with this. All I remember is the girl was kissing the demon dude, and that was it. Now he got all these baby girls with him. This dude look evil as hell. This is a new homeroom teacher or some shit. That stupid ass little top hat he got. He want to be Mad Hatter so bad. I'm hoping I'm wrong.